There are situations when receiving instant medical advice or hearing the voice of someone dear without leaving your home means everything. TerraNet's technology allows you to create a local network, but can also be connected to existing mobile infrastructure, including GSM and satellite networks. Mesh networks need less infrastructure, meaning lower costs for deployment.
Today, almost 2 billion people live unconnected, meaning they cannot make a phone call, they cannot access internet. We believe TerraNet's technology can change all this. TerraNet's technology can be used in rural villages, in refugee camps, or in disaster situations. It can be used in a hospital that, for example, only have one landline to call on. These are environments and situations where TerraNet's technology can make a huge impact. TerraNet's technology is far less expensive to implement compared to traditional communications technologies. This means that areas that today are not commercially interesting to traditional networks can be covered through TerraNet. So that is really the comparison you should make, having TerraNet being able to access internet and mobile communication and having nothing at all.
TerraNet's mesh algorithm is based on 802.11s standard. To deploy a TerraNet-based network, you need handsets and mesh gates with TerraNet inside. Depending on the environment and area size, adding a number of mesh gates will substantially increase coverage and broaden the network's range and capacity. A network controller enables and controls incoming and outgoing traffic to and from the network, and keeps track of subscriber and billing information.
In a disaster area, peer-to-peer functionality works immediately out of the box, saving time, possibly even lives. Later on, we can add mesh gates, which allows us to increase the network both in size and in traffic capacity. Traditional mesh networks usually don't scale very well due to their inherent properties of resource sharing, and that is reflected in power consumption, range, and capacity. However, adding mesh gates change all that. We minimize phone power consumption by adding high-capacity, long-range links whenever it's possible. Here we are performing the most simple test that we have.
You go to the far end of this parking lot.
And that is a 3-phone test where we have one phone in the middle acting as a relay. And here I'm calling my colleague Matthias at the far end of the parking lot, and the telephone is relayed through Jacob's phone, who is in the middle.
It's a bit chilly today, don't you think?
This cost-efficient deployment integrates with traditional mobile voice-over IP or fixed telecommunication networks. TerraNet's technology brings benefits to everyone involved in the mobile communication ecosystem. It expands the market for mobile operators at a low cost while adding significant value for handset suppliers. It also enables content providers to address a new group of users. This makes it possible for ministries of telecom all over the world to bridge the digital divide.
Our technology is really flexible. It can be used both independently and together with existing infrastructure. A TerraNet technology fits into a phone, a computer, a tablet, or any communication device. It can also be used in sensor networks. It is designed for integration. Power consumption is a challenge from two perspectives. First, our system needs to work without being connected to the power grid. Instead, we use solar panels. Secondly, mesh technology means higher utilization of handsets. To mitigate this problem, we use technology where the phone is in sleep mode 95% of the time. We are also adding our own algorithms that optimize the route a call takes so that it does not consume the battery of a single handset. For the pilot installations in India and Africa, our team has successfully lowered the power consumption of the prototype handsets so that the user gets 8 hours of talk time. We are really looking forward to the user feedback.